Hi! This video will show the strike modification of the Mavic 3 drone. Last conflict shows how civilian drone Mavic 3 can use like strike drone. Due to their limited payload, automatic and under-barrel grenade launchers are ideal ammunition for use from a drone. To use such grenades, they require modification. Namely, the propellant charge is removed. Safety stages are removed from the fuse, because they begin to operate only when overloads occur. A simplified contact sensor and an aerodynamic stabilizer are installed. A special suspension device is installed on the drone to accommodate modified grenades. Before takeoff, the safety clips are removed from the ammunition, which unlocks the fire pin. At the drop point, the drone operator sends a command to the drone. This command generates a light signal to the grenade container. The servo drive moves, opening the locks of the container. Grenades are being dropped. From contact with an obstacle, the fire pin strikes the capsule, which causes a chain reaction.